Perfect for kitchens with limited space, this 24-inch wide commercial griddle from eQuipped creates an additional cooking surface and a minimal footprint. With a 3/4 inch thick polished plate and stainless steel body, this griddle is built for durability. Adjustable non-skid legs allow this unit to be placed on a countertop and prevent it from slipping during use. The griddle's two U-shaped burners are independently operated by manual controls, giving cooks the freedom to use one or both as needed. To prevent messes, 4-inch back and side slashes are built in, along with a removable pan that collects grease. Although the griddle is set up to run on natural gas, operators can easily switch to LP with the included conversion kit. For more information or to order a griddle for your commercial kitchen, call our customer care team at 1-800-541-8683 or visit us online at KaTom.com.